I've been exploring the SmartGym mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. SmartGym is a workout app designed for people who want structured routines at home, in the gym, or on the go, especially if they use Apple devices heavily. It suits beginners who need guidance and more experienced users who like organized training plans. Its core strength is the smart trainer that builds custom workouts based on your goals, equipment, and experience, so you can get a full plan without planning every exercise yourself. You also get a large library of exercises with images and animations, high-intensity interval training, and home workout support, Apple Watch integration, and clear progress charts that help you see how you are improving over time. Many users highlight feeling more motivated and appreciating the structure and flexibility. And the app holds a high 4.7 rating from tens of thousands of reviews, which suggests consistent satisfaction. However, it is not without flaws. The best features sit behind a subscription, so long-term use can get pricey compared to simpler free workout apps. Some reviewers mention small usability issues, like occasional rough edges in the interface or missing data views they would like, and the app is tightly focused on the Apple ecosystem, which limits use if you ever move away from those devices. Overall, if you value personalized plans, Apple Watch support, and a polished experience over having everything free, SmartGym is a solid choice. If you prefer completely free apps, need Android support, or dislike subscriptions, you may want to weigh those trade-offs before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.